desperate for new cars. That was the Anchorage Police Department's leadership message to assembly members today. Steve Perch tells us APD says the fleet's in such poor condition, it's impacting officers' ability to do their jobs.
Rebecca, an APD captain told assembly members more than half their fleet is more than 1 decade old, when the industry standard says that's the time police cars are retired. Speaking for the department, Captain Josh Nolder says of the roughly 595 vehicles in their fleet, 16% have more than 150,000 miles, and 47% are at more than 100,000 miles. In total, 56% are over 10 years old. Again, it was stressed, 10 years or 100,000 miles is when a car should usually be retired. The police department says budgetary constraints are preventing them from reaching industry standards. The department says it would need a minimum of $4 million annually over a set number of years to upgrade their fleet. Assemblymember Chair Chris Constant suggested exploring the idea of presenting voters with a special tax levy in 2024 or 2025 dedicated to funding the purchase of new police cars.
We're having a lot of officer downtime trying to find workable vehicles. We're having vehicles that do break down, unfortunately, going to calls. We're having a lot of time lost as officers are having to switch out to a different vehicle.
I think voters want to see two things. I think voters want to see our police officers have the equipment that they need to be safe and to do their jobs effectively. And voters also want to see transparency and accountability.
At the meeting, APD's deputy chief also said the first set of body-worn cameras, roughly 30, will hit Anchorage streets by the end of this year, with full implementation set for mid-2024. Rebecca?